Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Join us on SKB Diary as we dive into the exciting universe of heavy equipment, modern inventions, and the ever-evolving landscape of technologies. In the realm of mining, Rex is the epitome of efficiency and adaptability, believing that every drop of fuel is worth its weight in gold. Fear not small lanes or steep hills, as the Rex can handle gradients of up to 12% and turn with a turning radius and breadth of 15.7 feet, ensuring that your load gets to its destination with optimal efficiency. With a full load, it can drive up to 24.8 miles in an economical manner while using 20 to 30% less fuel. Not only is its 20-wheel, 5-axle design remarkable, but it can tow up to 100 tons of freight. The Rex is a true truck marathon, reaching speeds of up to 37 miles per hour. With the release of the Tendy Series SK1300 DLC in 2022, Honor Kelco elevated demolition to a whole new level. As you can see, this enormous machine is currently contributing significantly to Rodham's renovation, turning the former hospital into a hub for research and innovation. This 130-ton monster, which can reach heights of 13.112 feet, is built with exceptional performance and ease of logistics in mind. Its unique features include a modified arm that can be dismounted, a modular frame, and an inventive cab that closes with a left-hand grip. Thus, what we have here is a true technological miracle that will alter urban landscapes rather than merely a demolition machine. ID is using ThyssenKrupp's advanced Barracuda rotary excavators in the Mayo Mine, 372 miles from Bangkok, in the Lampang province of northern Thailand. With the capacity to manage 18,000 tons of overburden per hour, these excavators guarantee effective and continuous coal mining. Modern mining equipment makes mining safer and more environmentally friendly by doing away with the need for blasting and separate loading processes, as well as by lowering operating costs and harmful emissions. By raising standards in the mining sector, ID significantly lessens its impact on the environment and boosts output. The DB45 from Sleipner arrives in a world where every square meter of land might be the start of a new tale. Not just a teaser, but the secret to uncharted territory. This amazing gadget creates chances out of obstacles by blazing a way through the most impenetrable terrain. It seems to be whispering to itself, "Show the world what you can do," as it loads up to 45 tons of equipment on board. With its ability to convert -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit from a challenge to a pleasure, the TB45 Special is the pinnacle of chainsaw technology. This machine is best used on hard, abrasive stones. It was developed with tunneling and open-pit operations in mind. It can cut marble and ornamental stone, but not granite. The business devised a specific function that enables the GU7 specific to produce frontal cuts that are inclined vertical and horizontal. With a cutting depth of up to 10.5 feet, vertical cuts up to 20.3 feet, and horizontal cuts up to 32.2 feet, the approach is highly customizable. High productivity and versatility are provided by the all-electric design, which may be modified to a hybrid version with an endothermic motor for mobility. The Brachy P11A is a planter's Swiss Army knife, offering all the tools required for forest regeneration from A to Z. By taking ecology into account at every stage, from scarification to precise planting, the machine transforms regeneration into a piece of beauty. Right out of the cab, the P1A effortlessly creates humus mounds that are perfect for every type of soil and infuses each compacted mount with fresh life. The operator may choose the optimal settings for every seedling by using the PLC platform to control and show all parameters. Everything is done with amazing precision, from measuring the sowing depth to taking into account the plants that are already flourishing.